Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greetings to all. You are with me, Cikgu Azrul, in subject Mathematics for Year 4. Okay, we're continuing the topic here. We're still in the chapter of time. The topic now for today is multiplication of time. We're going to the next slide. Look at the picture shown there. All floating alteration store guaranteed ready in 3 hours. What is the time taken in days and hours to alter 9 pieces of similar clothes? One clothes will be finished in 3 hours. So how to solve it? Now 9 pieces of clothes times with 3 hours. The answer in day and hours. Okay, we do the standard writing method. 3 hours times with 9, you got 27 hours. Okay, 37 hours is more than a day. So we take from 37 hours 1 day, so we subtract 24 hours, and then the remaining is 3 hours. So the answer for this question, 9 times 3 hours is equal to 1 day 3 hours. Time taken to alter 9 pieces of similar clothes is 1 day 3 hours. Okay, we continue on the next page. Okay, in this picture, stated that 2 days 8 hours for each phase of camp training. State in days the duration of 3 phases of the camp training the scouts undergo. 3 phases. Okay, one phase is 2 days 8 hours. So we write the question. 3 times 2 days 8 hours. The answer in days. Now we separate between days and hours to times. 2 days and 8 hours times with 3. First, 8 times 3 got 24, and 2 times 3 you got 6. Okay, times 3 hour, you got 24 hours. 2 times 3 got 6 days. Now convert 24 hours to 1 day. Okay, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So we subtract from the hours here 24, and then we'll add 1 under the day. Now the answer, 24 minus 24 got 0. 6 plus 1 you got 7. Okay, the answer here, 3 times 22 days 8 hours is equal to 7 days. The duration of the 3 phases of camp training is 7 days. We go to the next slide. Question number 3. Example number 3. Multiply 2 weeks 4 days by 8. Okay, now involving weeks and days. Okay, now we write the standard question first, mathematics question first. 8 times with 2 weeks 4 days equal how many days? The answer in days. There is 2 methods. The first method here, 2 weeks 4 days is equal, we separate the weeks there. 1 week is equal 7 days, so we separate 2 weeks here. 1 week plus 1 week plus 4 days. Weeks convert to days. 7 days plus 7 days, and then plus with 4 days. 7 days plus 7 got 14 days, and then add with 4 days. Got the answer there, 18 days. But the question didn't finish. 18 days must be times with 8. 18 days times with 8 got 64, 6, 144 days. For the next method, the second method, first, we can separate by weeks and days times with 8. First, 4 times 8 you got 32, and 2 times 8 got 16. Okay, 4 times 8 got 32 days. 2 times 8 got 16 days. Okay, now 16 days we convert to days. Okay, 16 weeks times with 7. 7 is equal 7 means for 1 week. Equal for 7 days. So 16 times with 7, the answer is 112. 112 add with 32 days. 112 days add with 32 days, the answer is also same 144 days. So from here, 8 times 2 weeks, 4 days is equal to 144 days. Okay, we go to the next questions. Next example. Number 4, 5 times with 16 months. The answer in years and months. First, 16 months times with 5, the answer is 80 months. Now 80 months we convert to years and months. We convert 80 months divide by 12 months. 12 months is equal to 1 year. So 6 times 12 got 72, and the remainder here is 8. The answer is 6 years 8 months. Okay, for the next example, number 5, 10 times with 3 decades and 7 years. The answer in decades. Okay, we do the standard arithmetic there. Decade and years. 3 decades, 7 years times with 10. 7 times 10, 70. 3 times 10, 30. So, the answer for the multiplication here is 30 decades, 70 years. 10 years is equal to 1 decade. So, here is 70 years is equal to 7 decades. We subtract 70 years and then add 7 in decade. Then you can solve it. 70 minus by 70 got 0. 30 add with 7 got 37. So the answer here is 37 decades and 0 years. The answer in decade, just write 37 decades. Okay, we go to the next slide for the next example. Example number 6, 21 times with 9 years. The answer in century and years. Solve it by standard arithmetic. 21 times with 9. 1 times 9, 9. 2 times 9, 18. So the answer is 189 years. 189 years. Okay, 189 years. We want to convert. We want to get the answer in century and years. 100 year is equal to 1 century. So 189 years, we can separate it to 100 year and 89 year. 100 year is equal to 1 century. 1 century and 89 years. For the question here, 31 times 9 years is equal to 1 century and 89 years. Okay, that's all from me for today. We will continue on the next chapter later. Thank you. See you later. Bye.